Kitty. Wait, it's not looking for it. Oh, yes, it is. Hey, YouTube, Kitty here. And today we are doing the ringtone challenge. So, yeah. Put this baby on. Alright. So, Sudan, you want to go first? Yeah? Okay, go ahead. She's talking with a puppet today. Okay, so that was that ringtone. This is my ringtone. Hello, people.
Hello, people.
Random. Hey, random. So, I mean, that's not a ringtone, cheater.
It's still a ringtone. It's a short. At least I don't bite my toenails in the shower. I'm just kidding.
Oh, well. Wait, okay. I have a good one. This is a ringtone I made.
Yeah, this is your ringtone. Yeah, it is. Now answer the phone. Yeah, it's a ringtone. Come on, you better. You probably I've heard of ringtone like this.
Okay.
Alright, okay, so that's it for now, I think.
Yeah. So, comment down below who has better ringtones.
It's not about
Cutie,
better now.
Cute, yeah. Well, it's a ringtone challenge. Like,
who you like the best?
What ringtone do you like the best? Who has the better ringtones?
And tell
Cutie
me
Kitty or Gymnastics?
Yeah.
24/7.
Or Gymnastics 24/7 and Lamb Chop, because we both picked that ringtone.
Nuh-uh, 'cause that's my lamb chop.
Yeah, but
Tell me if you know who Lamb Chop is. What show is it from?
I don't know what this show's from, but I know that this one's pretty hilarious.
Alright, so bye guys. Kitty Kitty out. Peace.